Hello guys, welcome back with a second regular Sudoku in today's newspaper of a Wednesday. Yes, it's today, Wednesday, August the 4th, 2021. And in this daily newspaper we have three regular Sudokus. The first one I have solved this was the binary, the second one is a medium Sudoku, and the third one a killer Sudoku. But I will continue with this one, the medium Sudoku, and this will be a number 3193. All right, 3193. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, well, this one, if you compare, it's a 1 star, and for 1 star Sudoku I need to be faster than 15 minutes. All right, so let's get started. In the first column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. We see there 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. All right. Then I cannot continue with the 6. I need to wait. All right. 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. Okay, so we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and an 8. We have a 1 and an 8 in the second column, so no 1 and an 8 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8, and a 9. 6 and a 9, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So, let me see. 6, okay. Yeah. All right. Think. How about? Ooh. 3, 6. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be here. Yeah. And I cannot continue with the 4. What a pity, what a pity. 8 in this row, first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this row should be there. Okay, and now I cannot continue with the 8. How about those 3 missing numbers in this row? The 1 is missing, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5, and look, we have a 1 and a 5 in this column. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. The 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 digit left in this row for the number 3. Alright. Alright. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, and only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then. We have a 5 in this column. Third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1 number left in this first column for the number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yes. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, 2 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 4. Same like here, 2 and 4. But I see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. Alright, so we have a 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9, 7 and a 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. So we have a 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. 1 number left in this second row for the number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a 7. 6 and a 7. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Alright. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 9. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and an 8 is missing. 5 and an 8, 5 and an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 8 should be there. One number left in this big square. For the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1, 2. 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 1. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and then 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 9 and a 5. I cannot fill this yet. How about those 2 numbers? In this row, for the numbers 1, 2, and a 3. 1 and a 3. We see a 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 9 and a 5, 9 and a 5. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Okay. Okay. 2 numbers left in this row. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can't be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 5. 5 in this last column. 5 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1 number left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7. 6 and a 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright, great. Sudoku medium. And definitely faster than 50 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a moment with the third regular Sudoku of today. It's a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. So see you later. Bye bye for now.